What did he ask?
You can't run with the phone, right? It's risky to run with the
No, phone he left.
Team Satu.
No, keep his phone. Yeah, even teams are always active, right, during on call. White ball.
The first ball he tried to smash it. People to listen, right?
He is not listening.
When they play
I
tennis ball
gave
and
him 2 minutes speech and that gone waste.
all. Relax it. No matter we talk, nobody is going to listen. So
Yeah, it's fine.
Instinct.
Does Vamsi's balls
Good
know
one,
KCN?
Aman.
KCN.
he has seen. He just the way it comes is good length
And
to
it
here.
will always come
Watch and play.
It will always come in.
Okay.
Yeah. Who's the other bowler? Siraj, right?
Siraj won't bowl opening. I think. Let's see.
Yeah. I think he will open the batting.
He's opening batting. He bowled very fast. Hari will bowl well.
But
Ball comes quicker.
He has he is kind of push the ball. That's why it's always compounds.
Hari, right?
Hari balls also coming very quicker, right? The nine got to watch.
Yeah, Hari's ball we have to watch.
First ball wide, right?
Yeah, first ball.
Right.
and then
Dot.
2 dots, huh?
Shot!
Good one.
Boundary.
Not going.
Has to go.
Not going.
That side has long grass.
Lot of grass, long grass.
Yeah.
Good
You
running,
guys
good
know
running,
the fire
boys.
happened because of dry grass.
Yeah.
Lot of dry grass in the central and southern eastern Oregon.
Yeah.
It's not the drier like here. It's more drier there, right? Easily burns.
I did not that there
Willamette
is,
Valley is much safer. It's cooler.
Willamette Valley?
The land is cooler.
But this they detained 2 people.
Arson for arson.
Yeah, one person he actually thought it's a fun. He put a triangle like 3.
Oh no.
He put fire on 3
How
different
many million
spots.
of acres are burning?
so many
small
houses are
mistake,
burnt.
man.
And then you see there are like 1,000 home burned, houses, 1,000 houses burned in Spokane.
Spoken as well, right? Yeah.
Maybe I don't know. Like last
No.
time California happened, they didn't pay.
People
Yeah, State Farm just went away. They're like, we're not
Is it
gonna
God?
take
Act of
claims.
God.
Yeah.
Oh, is
So
it?
like,
Yeah.
yeah, State Farm did not pay a penny to anybody.
No, I'm hearing one more conspiracy like data centers, right? They're planning to wipe out some land naturally. It's a conspiracy. Could be because there's already data center in Eastern Oregon. Already there, close to Pendleton.
Even Eugene has one. It's a small data center.
Hillsboro has one.
Okay.
Whose data center is it?
Amazon.
AWS.
Microsoft
Amazon.
doesn't have an Oregon, I guess. They have
Only Amazon has here.
Amazon has here. Yeah.
Microsoft
And then
has one
I think Meta has one in close to Hillsboro somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Having inside city is fine, but they are planning outside city to get the water and everything. It makes a lot of noise as well, right?
Yeah. The water supply is like too much.
And we have Columbia River there.
Yeah.
Plenty of water. Oh, they set Shiva there.
No. Yeah. Okay.
I don't think that they know
Vicky
his
will
batting
hit here,
style.
no?
know him,
They
yeah.
should have set him
They know him in tennis ball. So
Yeah. Tennis ball is different. Bottom hand shots.
Yeah, bottom him shot.
Shabash Vicky! Keep patience!
Oops.
not a wide.
Why not?
Should be one.
It's too slow. You can go another over. By that time.
It's good. He takes some time before he gives his decision.
Vamsi, can you do some on Vamsi?
Oh no, don't do that.
See, this is their strength. All bowlers bowl around this good length area and try to get it up to your body level, like chest level.
Vikas, right?
Two runs for
You
fast
played,
over, right? No, 3 runs.
you played with them, right? And then before you played Titans,
Cobras.
Cobras.
last year were they in Division 2? Sting?
No.
Division 2 only, but they're one of the top team in Division 2. Top 4, top 5 always.
Yeah, they're good.
They're
You
good
see
team.
their bowling. Right? Bowling attack
They're
is
good team.
They're good batting as well. They have very strong
They have
batting.
good batting.
Today is like a real challenging time to play.
That is why I was like, rest,
Yeah,
give your
it's-
full
It's not
body
like
there.
aces or stars. Even Jaguars collapsed, right? Because,
That was, that catches were the match turning. Otherwise, they would have scored.
yeah.
Shabash.
Good batting, Aman. Good batting.
Good batting, Aman. Good batting.
Come on, ready?
Ramal is ready from Thursday.
From yesterday.
From Thursday. Thursday evening. Talks are not there today. Relax. Relaxing time.
It's early in the morning.
That's why you have network. People are still sleeping. No one is using the network, so you have less data traffic.
Good thought, man.
Yeah,
There's no tower nearby.
yeah.
There's another problem. Wood's right. So
White ball.
Nice.
two.
Should be two. Yes.
White plus 2, right?
White plus two. White. It should be white.
Umpire will give white now.
Yeah.
It's a little bit here.
Nice wicket. Nice. Play long.
How much? You're 9? Cassian? Run is 9, right?
You're counting, man.
Shabash, boy. Shabash.
Good running, guys. Good running.
Good one, boy.
Rajat don't like suns.
I don't know.
You don't like
Vitamin
sun?
D for me.
Yeah. You'll take supplement.
This is the only day you get sun.
Yeah.
You can get as many as you want.
White. Yeah, first 3-4 overs we just need to.
None of their players came and bowled and practiced.
Yeah.
So you need to use those
Yeah,
strategies
they're not ready.
against them.
They're not ready. Yeah. So first 3-4 overs they will be keeping. Shot, boy, shot.
Four.
Yeah, 4-4. Shabash.
Good one.
Shot. Yeah. Umpire is leg umpire is cheer.
Just chatting.
Yeah, Aman is going to be very happy after this shot. Confident.
You should not get over carried.
No, this is a.
There is a possibility.
Possibility, right? That's why I was like, little bit. I don't talk. Keep quiet, mom.
Good one, boy.
Good live, Aman.
Good slow ball.
Keep the same
Change
channel.
of
Keep the
pace.
same channel, boy. It's unplayable. Come on.
Yeah, they have good bowling attack. Again.
Boy, excellent boy.
Nice, Aman, nice.
Excellent bowling. Excellent bowling, boy. Great one, Vikas.
Good one, Aman.
Lovely bowling. Great comeback, boy.
Good batting, boys.
But the ball keeps low. Right? Ball keeps low.
No, because he's rolling his wrist.
Spin too much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's rolling his wrist.
And Vamsi's height, ball keep it bouncer.
Yeah. even in the tennis ball games, Bamsi do the same thing. Pitch it in a good length, then
He has height as well. Right?
yeah.
Azerwai in the deep.
Zuba in the deep?
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
No, he catches good.
White ball, 4.
Good one, boy.
How
How much it has started?
Okay, it's just a story.
Wide and single.
How many extra they gave?
6 whites. Yeah, we have to be careful about these extras.
Shot, yeah, run.
Good one, good shot, boy.
Run quick! Run quick!
Boundary.
Lovely shot.
Good shot, Aman.
Good shot,
Shabash,
boy.
Aman, shabash.
Wait for the ball.
Aman.
Boundary and single. Boundary single.
Guys, I'll tell you one more thing. This is a revenge game for Aman specifically.
Yeah.
Because Aman myself played there in Sharks. He was treated very badly.
Yeah, even last year.
So
Aman
he wants to win this game. That is
played.
okay.
Fine. There like 10 to 12 views come from our team.
Our
only.
team,
So
nobody is
it's
watching.
highest view, I think 22.
Even we have 35 team members.
No, still our batting we can mute. Bowling we can have to keep it
No,
audio.
no, bro, no. 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 Mute.
Hey buddy. Go. He's very friendly at Kamal. This is farmer's dog. We don't do
Yeah.
it.
Shabash, Aman, shabash. Good try.
They don't have babies, right?
Man, farmer's dog, I told you. It's like a very,
Anything
very
can
healthy
bite
dog.
them, bite.
Yeah, very healthy.
Shot.
Anything can bite. Go to KCN. Go.
He likes you, man.
Go.
He likes your helmet. That's why he's
Yeah,
staying there.
that's right. Exactly. Something different.
Shot, Ranesh.
Oops.
Was close.
That's very close.
He dropped it. I think he caught and dropped, right?
Yeah. Reset, Vicky.
Nice, Vicky. The shot was fine.
Yes, good luck.
I hope they just play until 10 overs and Vicky will hit a lot of sixes.
Wide.
Wide.
Go away.
Whites are 3 whites per over means 3 bonus.
No bit.
Oh, he's keeping low, man. Nice.
Good batting.
Score.
24 3 overs.
3 over 24.
The run is good, but you have to stay. Both of you have to stay.
Focus,
Wide,
focus,
right?
just focus.
Focus, Aman.
Watch the ball. Watch the ball.
Play long. Both of you, play long.
24.
Down there, score.
3.
Vicky, watch your field.
3 overs, nice. So 3 whites per over. Nice. And ball is getting old. This is good for
because Vicky hasn't started playing yet with the bat, so it's slow.
He says, I will play anyways. I'll
Yeah, I'm gonna clear the ball. Clear it.
If they play until 8 to 10 overs, Vicky, then we'll have
And
100.
he'll charge everyone.
Miss, boys!
Come on.
You see, he's scared of pace bowling a little bit.
Easy, Vicky.
Shabash, boy, Vicky, shabash!
No worries.
Watch the ball.
It's all good.
And morning bounces are crazy. We know that. Last match we had a lot of bounces. We used to bowl.
Last time in the morning we balled first,
See,
right?
like, yeah, past 6 overs we made the batsman cry. Like,
I mean, we used the pace
nine
and
run in
bounce.
5 not 6 overs.
Just pace and bounce.
Yeah. Shot, boy, shot!
Boy.
Play single double.
But again, that team is different. This team is
Yes.
different, right?
I think this is much better
This
team.
is the seasoned team and well organized team. It's
Yeah.
not easy.
They're playing for a long time.
Bowling.
Batting
And
is
they
bowling,
know
bowling.
they know this ground better than us.
Yeah.
Lot better than us.
Fielding is better than ours.
Fielding, I don't think so.
Our fielding,
It's better now.
Kamal, stay, right?
Someone can score.
Ball is still swinging. It's okay, Vicky.
It's okay, but
Good start, good start.
Offside only, right?
Ball is swinging.
He was on the offside, yeah.
I don't want to hit leg side, so I went offside suddenly.
Set.
Yeah.
Vicky, ball turn out. Swing out.
It's fine, Vicky. Don't worry.
Especially அவனுடைய third, அவனுடைய second over அவன் வந்து எனக்கு ஒருல ஃபிட்டா இருப்பான் bowling.
Okay.
It was swinging outside, right?
Outside.
And நல்லா எனக்கு it came
No,
good
actually,
off.
he's in swing.
So that's why I went.
For lefty, it's
Lefty is
out.
off, right?
Yeah.
Nice, good lead, come
good
on.
leave, boy.
But one more will come.
மேல காஃபி.
Good one, boy. Good running.
Play this. Aman, stay there. Don't have to rush. Stay there.
Miss. Miss.
Come on, make it two.
Same shot. Minus little easier, but
Yeah. Traveling.
So this
Yeah.
one was little thicker edge.
yeah.
Yeah, went a lot up and once it go too much up height, it's hard to pick the
And there is a wind this
Yeah.
side.
And batsman running back is like tough. Yeah.
That's it. Comparing after 5-6 overs. Whenever Basan wants to come back.
He'll be already watching.
He'll come after 5. He said, I'll do first 5.
Yeah, he's watching.
Waiting for 4.5.
He's counting balls. White ball.
He'll be angry for the whites. How many balls?
No, see, that's what I was telling, right? You have 2 already. So
It's like 12, 10, 11 or
11 already. So we have 4 overs, almost 31 runs. So run rate is okay.
First 5 overs we can't say run rate, man. Just have to focus on the game.
Yeah, yeah. Just, I mean, we are good. We have nothing else to do.
First 5 overs don't look for run rate also.
Shot! Shabash, Aman! Shabash!
Great shot, Aman.
Shabash, Shabash!
Watch the ball closely. Play long.
4 overs, 35. Good running. Almost 9.
I'll keep padding up.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll keep pad up entire innings.
Yeah. Then no one will
You know
Stay
the drive
padded.
will come there like
Yeah, do it, man. Do it quickly. Continue, right?
I'm telling you, today Basam will click with this pace. Right? He got pace also, so he will click today.
Yeah.
I feel like that.
I think Kamal will click.
I'm thinking about him if he doesn't lose his focus.
Kamal.
Aman.
You need to.
Both of them.
Yeah. They're both are capable players.
Nice.
Nice ball.
Right, come on, that is your play.
That is your game. When you confidently defend a bowler, right? The bowler will think for other ways to get you out.
Yeah.
He'll change his line and length. Edge, huh?
Yeah. Make it 2, boy.
Good running, good running.
Nice to run.
He went for the edge. Ball is very
So
good. He's
long,
going
yeah,
and
yeah,
giving
that's
the
very
edge.
far.
Way outside. I think ball is swinging.
He's still nervous.
Take your time, Kamal.
Vicky Vamsi is bringing the ball in for you.
No, basically he's bowling straight only, macha.
No
But
swing.
his length is good. He will
Yeah.
bowl to here.
Comes up.
Yeah.
Vamsi's come here. Here.
Yeah,
that is what
that's
I
what
said.
his strength. Yeah, that's his strength. White ball.
No, don't chase the ball.
Come on, give me one white.
Bowlers are coming back to their rhythm now.
Yeah.
That's why the bowlers always the bowler second over is very crucial. You have to watch it.
Good one,
Good defense,
come
Kamal.
on.
Play long, huh? Play long. Don't worry about run.
Good one, come on.
He's coming?
Yeah, immediately he said.
Done.
It's like 5 done.
Okay, so bowler change.
Ritesh.
1 minute.
1 sec.
37. 5 overs.
37. 5:37.
5:37.
Just like Cassian again, I'm gonna rest.
We know. We
I've
all
done
know.
my job.
Over number 5, we all know.
I've done my job. I'm very professional, you know.
Man of the world.
एक बॉल भी ऊपर नहीं. Viggy, I told you to watch the fielder. आज ही निकल सकता.
Good running, boys.
थोड़ा तेज बैट घुमाया होता ना.
Yeah,
but like in
little bit of
between.
thicker edge. This is
Little
just
bit of thicker.
Yeah.
little thicker.
No, I would have worried if I got LB or bold.
நீங்க development
Development
போன மாதிரி இருந்தது எனக்கு.
I know.
Development la bro. I was good.
Who can score for some time? I'll go to the photo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
So the dot. This is second ball.
No,
He scored dot.
It was one.
Shabash,
It
Kamal.
was one run and this is dot.
First ball was one, right?
First one was
Sure,
one.
right?
Yeah, it was Aman who.
See who's on strike.
Okay.
Aman opened it, one run.
Now
this is
Kamal,
second
now
ball.
Kamal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now.
So 1-0. One shot for everything. One shot for everything. That's all.
Kamal is being late on balls. Aman is good. Aman फंस रहा है in between balls. You know, good length ball पे फंस रहा है. बाकी जो आगे pitch हो रही है ना, Aman is playing very well, right? But Kamal is like getting late on the balls. I don't know. He plays so well in the nets. I don't know what happens to him.
Yesterday he played tennis ball batting, right?
Yeah.
That's what I know. What I was playing.
Shabash,
Good shot, boy. Two.
Both are
Run for
different.
two.
Ball is different.
I think this is the
The
first
way
time
it
Come on,
he's
come on.
comes to you.
playing on the leg.
Nice running. He
One more overthrow.
Okay,
I
okay.
know, but he has to bat here well. But nets.
Good running, good bat, boy.
He batted so well in the nets as well, man. Tennis ball is a different game altogether.
It is different, but I don't think nothing changes.
Yeah, skill wise,
You know what you are playing.
Natural
It's
skill.
basic, bro.
Yeah. Basics तो वही रहती हैं.
No tennis ball, leather ball. No.
It's totally different. People not realizing it. I've been playing the leather ball for the
Bro,
last
I know
7-10
it's
years.
different. I
Years.
understand,
Come on, everything
but
is
we
good,
should be capable of
everything is
playing
good.
both. That is what I'm saying.
That is true.
If
That
you
won't come in
think
one
impact,
season.
then
It
it
won't
is
come
not
in one
correct.
season.
Yeah, but you know,
Something won't come in for first season itself. First season you have to focus here.
that's true.
Shabash,
But the
good
basics
one, good
are the
one.
same.
Once a team
That's
is set,
your
then you
batting,
go
boy, that's your batting.
anywhere. I don't care.
Let's not talk about this now, bro. Okay, we'll talk later.
It's not about playing a specific league, Vicky. I've been telling you at the
That
beginning.
is what I'm saying.
Focus
Let's not
here,
talk
don't
here.
play
Let's
a lot
focus
of
the game.
baseball
We'll
leagues.
talk later. 40.
6 overs, huh?
6.
Sam was supposed to play 11 today. In the 11 today. He got injured, stitches. Asking if he played PMOC.
But you can also get injured in the play.
I understand.
Well,
But
right?
before the game, don't go and risk it. I have plans for you this Saturday.
It's hurry bowling, right?
You put a lot of money and time in this league.
Bro,
this
let's not
tournament,
talk
right?
about this, bro. I've been requesting for a lot of times, right? Don't do this here.
I'm not talking to you.
Shabash,
No,
shabash,
Basam,
shabash.
he started the
We're talking about league, bro.
I'm talking to Basam only. He said his body is paining, aching. I'm talking to him.
Focus on your batting. It's okay. Not the right time.
No, that is why I'm not doing. I'm not saying anything. I said, bro, let's not talk.
I'm
That is the
talking
only
to
thing I'm
the
saying.
person who raised the topic yesterday in the group.
Why did you raise, man?
Shabash,
Good
shabash,
one, good
shabash,
one, good
come
one.
on.
Boy, run. Good steal. Come on, good one.
He's very deceptive. Arena. He's fast, but his action is very slow.
Actually, he bowled one ball to me in practice. He came very fast. You were there keeping, right? Very fast.
Last match that I played with the Sharks, his ball is like, shoot. But his like action is like very.
Yeah.
He's only like
Shoulder-
4-5
shoulder
steps.
power.
Yeah, that was fast.
That was low.
Nice.
Sir, bye, charger.
Boy, come on, boy.
Padala means
Revenge.
revenge.
Azhar came for Badla. Huh?
There are 2 dots, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2-1.
2 ones and 1 dot. Third ball. This is fourth, right?
Yeah.
What do you? He's deceptive.
That must have hurt.
He bowled this to
He's
me.
deceptive. I'm telling you, he's deceptive.
It's very fast.
Spray.
He's like me, you know. I will also take like few steps, but I'm. Do you have spray or anything?
Yeah,
He's all,
With your action, we can tell you are going to come.
thing is like
That's not at all.
Azhar.
Bro, Azhar bowling is slow, right? Dot ball, right?
Last week जरा spin को तो
Bad luck for both of you today. Ball is shiny. Ball पता नहीं ball कितना shiny है. Watching la. When you go let them play. Ball कितना shiny.
Good. Beautiful.
No ball, right?
If there's a case, should have. Yeah.
Not a no ball. Aman.
Stay, brothers.
Four! Good shot, man!
Draw. 20 plus. Aditya bowling away. Take my bat.
Shot.
Shot and Nayan!
Good shot.
What a beauty! Beautiful shot, boy!
Great shot, Nayan.
Didn't do anything, like he
Yeah,
didn't
that's
power or anything.
Guys,
Just
watch the
nice.
game.
But I have generated power, but this guy is like.
Once is enough.
No worries, guys, bye.
Take your time, bye.
Good call, guys, good call.
Still he would have reached.
Yeah, they stopped in the middle.
Nayan may stopping, yeah.
I mean, one shot you have to like. But it's also his bowling is out, goes out, right? So if it's little, it's stretched.
112, sir, 112. Yeah. 17 over 16.
16.
Oh, 12, then how many years?
He got out in this ball, right?
I should have played with my bat. He is not even bowler himself.
Yeah, he's not.
Yeah, you should have played from the start.
Attack பண்ணனும்.
Right, you could have scored in those
More
punching.
punch was further.
4 might have gone 4.
कमल को भी इसने आउट किया.
Same.
Catch हुआ ना वो.
Siraj.
No, Siraj. This
Actually, Aman,
This guy hype on
I
you.
wanted to ask. I'll go middle this match because
No,
I know
don't
this
have
team.
buy in.
No, I'll tell you.
Momentum,
Let me-
momentum அப்படியே இருக்குல்ல.
Yeah, I used to hit like 2-3 sixes in a row.
Yeah.
So I know he'll come, but I don't want to spoil the rhythm.
momentum
So
na-
I didn't say anything.
I mean, it's fine, right?
He started well, Vicky.
Yeah,
Captain,
started
right?
well.
Yeah, you should be
I mean, you saw last match how he played. Super crazy.
Shot, yeah.
So 4.
4.
Forward boy.
Lovely shot.
Wow, man,
We
bye.
need
Great
you
shot.
more in the opening than in the middle. Obviously, in the middle overs you will be great.
but with the momentum, we really needed a left-right combination.
If you or me were there in the first 6 over,
It started clicking right away.
60-70 runs, right?
Yeah.
Right, so that was the idea.
That was more important than the middle
And
overs.
I was happy that I got to the edged one.
Yeah.
But still, I was happy. I went offside shot
Offside,
only.
correct.
I didn't go like this.
Yeah.
It was a boundary. Who scored?
I am after.
Scorer. चौका लगाया ना?
याद दिलाते रहना.
Four.
Four! You are there, boy!
नयन आराम से नीचे चौके और देखा तो क्या बात है ये. चार चौके मार दिए उसने लेकिन
ओवर में 4 चौके आ गए.
लेकिन उसने कोशिश भी नहीं की.
जहाँ की बॉल है वहीं पे मार रहा है.
Now they are tested it.
They already got 4 right?
Yes, it is over. Yeah, sure. Batting, boy!
What strength?
No risk run, boys! No risk runs!
Good call.
There is some hesitation, I feel.
Yeah.
They are stopping unnecessarily.
They are
Ashik
Yeah.
like to take fast runs.
Yeah.
But Nayan likes to because it's his style, right?
See and
score,
run.
Score.
Yeah.
Look at that Nayan runs fast.
Come on, boys.
हो चला था.
They will get tired if they start running everyone.
This was a run.
Yeah.
But it's going to hurry, it's not a run.
I don't think your 50 got captured. No one paid any attention.
It wasn't recording.
You have to do every 30 minutes, right? The first 30 minutes, and I think,
अगले मैच में फिर मार देंगे.
yeah.
अगले मैच
मैं तो कहता हूँ मैंने तो करा तू यार.
Good shot. Yeah, it's running.
मेरी 50 उड़ा दी है और कहते हैं कैमरा चेक.
अरे तेरे को अब तेरी कैच होनी चाहिए.
आउट ना हो जो पहली बॉल पे कैच करते हैं.
भाई मरिया है.
हाँ ना सही में.
ललचाऊ मार मारे 6 छक्के. इसी लाइन पे इतने सारे इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं रील 5 बॉलर से डर नहीं लगता. डर ऐसे
That's my weakness too. Slow bowlers.
it's hard to hit. You have to generate the power. You have to wait for the ball and then generate the power.
Played, Ashak. Azerbai.
It's like मारने के लिए ready.
Azerbai is in pumped up mood. 120, yeah. We need to push runs, guys. Come on, singles.
Fine, let it play until 20.
No
They
pace, right?
scored a few boundaries.
Yeah, no
Let
pace.
it go like 20 over and 20.
Yeah, knock it, knock for singles, look for singles, boys.
Holy shit.
Nice, knock it.
Take your time, Ashik. Take your time. No hurries. Long game. 125. 18 overs. It's fine, huh? Or 125. 18 over.
Azam, you have to go.
It's fine. We don't want to lose wicket right now.
No, right,
That's
but
it's fine
be
even.
ready.
Yeah.
We'll send Kamal for Ragam, okay?
Yeah.
The last 5 you go. You can go, right?
Yes.
No, I can go.
We have to go, man.
That's okay. Come on. That line में नहीं open है pin. Stop.
Why they are not bowling Hari and Ritesh? They just waiting for 9 only, right?
They slowed
now
it
they have to bowl.
I mean, they're not getting runs.
Never had slow bowlers. Suddenly I was surprised with Ayyappan.
He used to ball right once in a while.
India's captaincy, I have never seen.
India was a bowler, right? Now you don't have a bowler.
On the line.
India was very good.
Highest wicket taker, man. No
He
one
is a
was
very good
close.
bowler, man.
No one was close.
Good captain too. Very nice ball.
Why is he not playing?
Kid. Commitments.
Commitment, and also I think his work is little bit. He is now director in Nike in one of the
You need a lot of mind should be in that right?
Yeah.
You cannot focus.
He told me last November when I met him. He got a position for director.
He's good, right? I mean, as a manager, he's good. Right?
Good batting, guys. Good batting.
That's all we need. Good running, boys.
Good going.
Keep it moving.
129. 19 over. 19.
Keep it going, boys. Good going.
भाई, yeah.
run, so he's like.
तेरा ओवर जा रहे हैं.
Fifth over bowling is.
मेरे
तेरे ही ओवर है वो जो अदर भाई
Put
के
a
जो.
capless is over, man. Then he will stop bowling. He thought Azhar usually bowls only 2 overs only. He get hit and go and rest.
He didn't get hit much.
Today is the day he's bowling. He's a nice guy, so I like him.
He missed 4, man.
What is it?
He missed 4.
Yeah, if it was.
Yeah.
if it
Goes
had
gone,
connected,
yeah.
it goes four.
You know it.
Good batting, Ashit. Where did Kamal go?
TP.
अब मेरे ही पकड़ रहे हैं हम लोग.
और तेरा कैच पता किसने पकड़ा?
शिवा भाई ने.
जिंदगी में कैच नहीं पकड़ा.
नहीं, Shiva is good, man. He will go for it, man. He doesn't scare.
Ball. Late.
Yeah, he's not scared of anything.
Hard, right? Hard
Yeah,
hands.
hard hand. You just go for it, even if it's not. He's not catch it. Go for it.
Shot, Ashek. Good
Run, two,
shot.
two, 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 two,
easy,
two.
boys, come on. Wait. This is a good ball. The last is ball? I don't know. This ball is things are going right. We need to play flexibly sometimes, not like me.
I mean, you know how Ashik plays. Like,
Also, like
crazy.
in the end, he finishes. Anyway, we have finishers here. Can hit the line. Saurav can hit. Saurav, get some ball. Score, Aman score.
135.
135, 20th over, right?
Yeah,
20th or 20th?
20 over done.
Vamsi!
Let him do 1 over.
One more over. Kamal is not here.
Vamsi thought we were talking about. How many Vamsi?
He's holding. Running. Time is running, right? You have to start and stop after 20, 25 minutes, okay? Watch it. Last time,
But actually our first wicket got off early, right? So he has to put another batsman from India.
Good shot, Ashak.
Or 138 or something.
एक तो बॉल डालेगा
हिट में होगा, हिट में.
Thanks, Vamsi.
जब भी ये नेट्स करके गया हो ना 0 करके
Don't keep it in the mind. You can play freely. Yeah, jolly. Have fun. So catch or bold?
catch. It was 6. It was traveling.
Then you're in form. Yeah.
He was traveling and then suddenly ball came down.
Ask him the Rishi.
Dropped down.
3 matches, stepped out, same catch. But it was,
Next day, Leva.
Anna, it was a great shot. I accept that.
Yeah.
But I told him, let's not
And
go
the
with
fielder,
that
it was
shot.
traveling. That fielder is very good. Rishi. Best fielder of the tournament.
No, we can't
Yeah.
blame that.
இங்க இருக்கு பியோட்டா.
இல்ல bro, பெத்தனி தெரியும்ல, பெத்தனில இருந்து ஒரு 7 minutes.
Good shot, 9. Good shot. 2. 4.
Did Ashik play?
One more.
Ashik, one for the throw.
Throw.
One for the throw.
Good run.
Bro, won't come here.
Good batting, guys. Good batting.
Aman, did Ashik score any good shots?
Yeah. I mean, he didn't score 4, but he
Okay, so he's in rhythm, right? Yeah.
playing very good straight back.
Yeah, I went to restrooms. I didn't see. That's why.
Single.
But he's middling it,
Every
right?
ball
then-
to
Man.
If he is middling it, then he's safe.
no dot balls, nothing. Every ball.
Good.
It's so hot out there.
It's good.
Getting tired.
It's good for us.
Yeah. Later.
Let them get tired.
That's the only bowler which is good.
See, our game is first 15 overs.
he goes on
We
the
attack
body.
பண்ணி முடிச்சிரும் first 15 overs.
Wicket. Top 4 wickets தான் முடிஞ்சாங்க. அவனுக்கு டீம்ல 2 பேட்ஸ்மேன் தான் போட்டாங்க.
Anvesh, Siraj,
Anvesh, Siraj.
Hari and Tesh.
Hari also, he plays. I mean, if he stays, then
He is,
good score.
good other ball player.
That is what I'm saying. He will not hit all the games. If he stays, then he will play longer innings. Yeah.
We just have to, like, no one is gonna hit us unless until we give a loose ball.
See, if you
I don't think we have a loose bowler in our team.
Same line, like last
No one's
match.
gonna hit.
Same line, like last match. Having closer to body, bounce, little bounce.
This is like we're playing have synergy. Until the end of the game, we should not be fighting with each other. I know. Just have synergy. Till the end of the game, we should not be talking to each other like in that way. That's what I'm saying. After the game, yell. Don't worry. If anybody makes mistakes, tell them. Open them.
Rudra, how is the new helmet?
Yeah, it
It's
fits
good,
me.
right?
Game helmet.
Hari's fourth over, right, Aman?
Who?
Hari's
No,
fourth
no,
over.
no. Third.
Ritesh bowled 3 or who bowled 3?
Hazar, Tej.
No, first initial kick. Ritesh and Hari, one of the main bowlers. Vamsi, how many bowled?
Vamsi bowled 3.
I think they will finish the entire 30 overs, I think, right? With 3 bowlers.
Shiraz will go, right?
He won't.
Siraj bowled 2 only.
He bowled well, right?
Siraj is a good
But he
bowler.
gave wide, actually.
Yeah, because you got a lot of dots there. Because you are in a very good rhythm, but I saw you from the behind, right?
He gave wides, right? Lot of
Yeah,
wides.
he has little bit issues with fight.
Good running, boys!
Good running, boys!
Come on, guys, respect
150
the ball,
up,
respect the
150 up,
ball.
guys,
150,
150 up!
boys! Cheer up, boys!
Keep going, boys.
Over.
22, yeah.
Stay.
Second half they didn't bowl wide. First
Initial time, right? The bowler.
He will bowl slot, bro, for sure.
yeah, he bowling slot. Doesn't bowl good length.
Bowler.
Watch for my he will bowl a little bit low also. Because
He used to play before forward.
that guy is a lefty, you know, right? Charan.
42 balls to go. How
He
many
also
will
bowls.
score? 70?
Charan.
78.
Bikes, right?
Minimum 70 is needed.
232.
He should score.
That will give you buffer.
8
Because they
overs
have
are there,
bats.
right?
42 balls to go, right?
48.
48.
Yeah. So 8 for 10 runs.
तेरे को यहाँ तक मिडिल दिख रहा है
For me, it looks like that.
I don't know.
यहाँ से दिखता नहीं, nobody यहाँ पे नहीं पता लगता है, दूर से नहीं.
Only umpire and bowler.
I think you should have considered that. Come on. That was good luck. You're not losing wickets, right?
Okay.
Winning a different way, okay? You can't always rely on one player.
Okay, come on, Bassam boy.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆನ್ because stay by I think you can play very good game by no pressure
मिडिल लेके खेल लेग स्टिक खेल लेके खेल
It came low. I told you, right? Suddenly low on ball, like you finish.
correct है
That's the risk.
Stick guard, but he doesn't stand.
no he takes middle
It's in middle.
Yeah.
And he covers
I'll
entire
tell you,
stump.
I'll
He
tell you.
plays like this.
Good batting.
Stump like.
No, I will tell you, don't take any steps.
Still playing well. What's swinging still?
Yeah, maybe seen. Hit the
Yeah, I
seam.
didn't see
It
the
was
ball.
in the
It's
middle,
outside in the
but
ball.
it.
Oh, he changed the ball, right?
Do we change the ball?
no
Once
not
it
for
went
the
out, right? He
changing.
changed it, right?
It's probably falling
There is a
on the seam.
second
That's why.
good batting man was good batting
Only time I change the ball is Aman shot only. Six
Yeah,
out of
Aman changed the
How much
ball.
did he
out
score?
of changes the ball.
I don't know
That's an achievement.
Very
right?
good singer.
That's an achievement to may chase the ball.
60 something.
60.
I don't know.
No, it's
No,
I
it's
don't
30,
know. It's
30
from the
something.
leg stump or leg middle. I don't know.
Hey man, your wicket is not going.
Who? Which wicket?
I am wicket. I finished it there.
It's going.
Oh, it came?
Did you give wickets for 9 and
Yeah,
then?
yeah. I didn't. Okay, that's good.
Slow. It took slow. Ask someone to. Good shot. Good shot, boy. Someone to.
First ball itself he'll go. Yeah. I mean, I should not say because I will also play like that. If it's a slot, I'll go for it.
Tennis ball.
Adi, I wouldn't say, but what I'm saying is, if it is a slot or something, he'll go
He
for
will
it.
go.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Yeah.
So it didn't serve the server.
I see.
No, it's not the API call failed, I think.
Great shot, boy!
Now they kept 2 people here. 3 people here. Shot, yaar! Good shot, yaar! Rudra, go. Saurabh ready. Rajat and Vamsi, pad up. Yeah, we have. Oh, Rudra went with the team kit.
Sure.
Vamsi, you have a personal card.
Yeah.
Right? Then you can be ready. Saurabh has his personal. Team kit, I mean, Vamsi got it. Need to wait for Vamsi. I mean, for Rudra got it. Do you have a thigh pad or something? Or a guard? You have got everything, right?
Saurabh is there, right? Saurabh is there.
Saurabh is there, but if in case he wants to go, he needs pads, right?
He was there to hit.
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. That's it. We all getting tempted. That's fine.
Tempted is fine, but usually you will hit there, macha.
I know. I don't think so. I middled it.
I did not middle it.
First shot was very good. Second shot also, I thought it's good.
No, far his strength, it will go second
Yeah,
ground.
yeah.
I don't know. I was middling it. I don't know.
Use someone's pad, but thigh pad only I will get. And glove you need.
It's okay.
Fine.
My eyes were very itchy when I went inside. I
It's
could
okay,
not
it's
see
okay,
properly.
exactly. We can still win this game.
No, I did not. The ball was there to hit.
160, right?
Something.
24,
When
right?
he came
How
on
much
the ball,
score
I
came?
thought he was going
154.
Over?
22.4.
See, we have a lot of overs, man.
Batting, boy.
We have a lot of overs.
That's it, boys.
The ball was there to hit. It was a full toss.
It's okay. Don't mind.
It's okay,
I
man.
should have hit it there.
We both played the same day today.
Give me one suggestion, macha. Since I see you last 4-5 times.
Captain's
Nowadays, our favorite shots becoming villain to us. So watch and play.
Because
But that was a full toss. I thought it
It
will
was
go.
there to hit.
Ball is gone.
I thought.
No, Basam.
you, right?
Opponent's reading you, right?
Ashik.
Basam.
Yeah.
Opponent's reading you and setting the field there.
No, it's not about the field. It was going to clear. I
You
thought.
can't see sometime when you hit the bat, it has to be the middle, it has to go to the air drift. There's wind also blowing. You have to think of everything, right?
Yeah, very
It's
good
fine,
catch.
but
Yeah,
I think
he
it's just
was
hard
running.
luck. It would need middle actually. If it would have been middle, it would have
That's
been
what I'm
gone.
saying. You can't be always thinking like your shot will go boundary.
I was thinking obviously I would have to think that I'm middling it, right?
Right, but when we are 3 fielders here, you have to be a little bit watchful.
So first I was in the form. Yeah, I thought I was in form. Score?
157. 23.
23, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, मेरा catch नहीं छोड़ते कभी जिंदगी में.
Sorry?
157.
वो भाग के catch पकड़ी है.
हाँ, नहीं वो अच्छा क्या फील्डर रितेश.
अच्छा fielder.
बहुत अच्छा फील्डर है. वो डायरेक्ट थ्रो भी मारता है, पकड़ता भी है.
Your time we went to the right.
And वो पता है
कल
पर्पसली
ऋषि को
वो
पकड़ाया
गया.
catch आज इसको पकड़ा दिया. I will send it to like good fielders.
पर्पसली वो गया वहाँ पे. पता है अजहर भाई को इधर रखे हुए.
For you, right? They know you.
They know you.
Not a boy.
Well played.
Keep going, Rudra. Keep going.
Hey Siraj, when you field a slow ball, it's very
First ball
tough.
was 4 or 6.
4.
Ball is coming slow, it's very tough to judge.
I was middling it.
Shabash, shabash.
Two.
Ashik, two.
Push it.
Yeah, the game awareness will come with the more time you spend.
More match practice.
More match practice, more matches you play, the game awareness.
It's not about
will
hitting
come.
6 every ball, right? So
Yeah, you always go for like 2. That's your fault. It's always your fault. You have the capability to do 50 in every match.
मुझे लगता है कि मैं बड़ा इजीली खेल लूंगा
Yeah,
मुझे
that's-
बॉल
that
इजी
you
लगती है
can.
ना
Yeah, that is
can
true.
for some, but
That's also happened to me. Like I thought, like in the last match, you know, like
Yeah.
the second catch.
Ball is coming so
man,
easy
you
on the
went so back foot today, right?
Yeah. Huh?
You went so back foot today.
No, not
What do you
back foot
think?
because the ball and the good length. Sorry. Yeah. You see? So you have to go back foot. I can't go front foot.
No, that guy, Vikas guy, you can play front foot also. It's not that
Oh,
pace.
the
The one you got out, right?
Yeah. I should have.
You could have
I should have.
front foot played and defended.
And that one I also go front foot, but the ball was pitching there and it swings. If it's straight, then I didn't expect
because
the swing.
you allowed the ball to turn and then come to you, right?
Yeah. I never
Good
do
batting,
that
Ashik
normally.
boy! Good batting!
This time.
Don't worry, we have good bowling to beat.
That's fine. It's good to analyze your innings,
I
right?
thought I was
I
going
think we scored 200 plus, right? Last time.
Last time you could have 204, so we came up to last over.
Last
Yeah,
over,
yeah.
like
We can
We
still
are
win
almost
this
gonna
game.
get the same
Win this
score
game.
today.
Come on, man. This is
We are
revenge
winning.
game for us. Come on, boys. Come
goals
on.
something.
Rajat, cheers.
You want to
batting da.
like you want
Actually what
Ashik to
happens ना
stay.
जब मैं बॉल देखता हूँ ना
Ashik
वो
to stay
इंस्टिंक्ट
for
जो
the
है ना
last over.
इंस्टिंक्ट
Yeah, that I
Instinct
also
के साथ
have.
कैसे
That.
You got it. Let me tell you in a different word, bro.
Yeah.
You and me and all. For the first ball, the way you connected, right? We can easily connect the ball. We can see the ball. And
So
play
whenever you hit
Now
six,
we
so
have
you
to
can
plan only one thing. We have to plan only one thing. Which ball we should pick, which ball we should not. That's what I have been applying in my recent days.
Yeah.
I'm learning also, but I'm just telling you.
But this ball that I got out,
Yeah.
that was a hittable ball.
Good
Shabash,
shot.
shabash, two boy.
Two.
Rudra, first time.
Boundary.
What do you have to do, Masambri? You know? What do you have to do?
No ball, no
If
boundary.
you got like the Lupta ball in the second
No
ball
boundary,
when
no
you
boundary.
hit a six, you will go for single.
Yes.
If you can do that,
That I'm learning from him. He will
that's
score
good,
1-4
man.
and he'll go for single. Right, bro?
yeah. So if you go for
163.
that,
So
then
we
your
set the
competition
expectation
will-
too much and
will
then we
be
are
completely
saying-
Instinct
Yeah.
थोड़ी सी
Ah,
change
yeah,
है.
I feel that was full toss, right? You only go with your full strength.
Yeah.
And I don't think you middle this also.
No, middle तो होती तो वो
No,
middle
middle means it will go much.
Yeah.
If you go into the forest, I would say.
But also they're just four
But it's okay, it happens.
My eyes are very itchy today. I don't know what happened to my eyes.
don't blame your eyes. You got this kind of like out for the last.
In the back for a while.
As long as they're not expired.
Not open.
How can he will give that?
Check the dates if you want.
You want me to share?
No, bro, I'm good.
Anybody to share? I only need half.
See, it's up to December.
But you have to use your hands to break it, right?
Kamal, you want to share? कमल
Yeah, it
भाई
was
कहाँ
a
से लाते हो
single.
एनर्जी
Come on.
कहाँ से लाते हो
Why you make excuses? That's what
ये नींद ये कैसियन सही कह रहा था रेस्ट नहीं ना किया तो शॉट गई नहीं पूरी
I'm good.
You choose the fielder. You have all the shots and choose the
Choose the filter wisely. Which one you want?
it did not middle it the ball was there man
Guys, ready? Alert!
you can't say the ball was not there to hit
There was no one besides cow corner. You have all full ball. You can have.
yeah
Moments! 4 fielders going for that.
रजत भाई रजत भाई
Rudra's water bottle, guys.
सौरभ
Maybe this, I don't know.
That's with Saurabh.
अमन भाई आज तो अमन भाई कहना पड़ेगा 50 करके आ भाई
अरे नहीं काका मेरे पास रखा है.
Do you have a new one?
What?
Was it your second 50 a month?
Yeah.
Yeah, will definitely.
अमन ने शॉट ऑफ द मैच मार दी
Do you have any energy bars?
कवर के ऊपर से चुका
Yeah, I have one. We'll share it.
We'll share it.
No, it's already broken.
Oh, no.
Don't worry.
No.
Make it 2, boys! Make it 2!
I'll open the app, you can take it.
You will take the upper half.
Yeah.
I'll take the.
You take the upper up. You open it.
Ashik is crazy. Bat. Situation awareness.
He has the patience.
The tempo.
And so many singles, doubles.
Yeah.
Don't worry, don't worry.
It's tiring now.
And he'll come and bowl as well.
Yeah.
You take it. You take it.
No, I will have with this one.
Okay. Okay. No, it's okay.
Good one, boy.
Two.
Good running, boy. Good running.
I think 200 से ऊपर कर देंगे हम लोग.
चाहिए. Super चाहिए. Because they also struggled for 200 before. So.
Definitely.
If we ball to our full strength, we should be able to defend.
Yeah, like
Easily, bro.
see, reduce Y extras, no overthrows.
Extras would tremendously help.
Yeah, like extras if we reduce by like even like restrict between 10 or 12, which is very
I don't
good.
think so. We're giving a lot of extras.
Like last match we did not, but the before match we gave 23, 31 something.
No, overall we are doing good in extra.
Yeah. Look at other teams.
Overall,
Yeah.
yeah.
Look at other teams. They're bowling 50 extras.
You know, Balaram, it's
In
not
30
can't
overs,
compare.
in 30 overs, 10 to 15 extras is
No
okay.
strain, no strain. You can't compare with other people. Our goal
Yeah.
is to bowl 20 overs without any extras. That's the goal, right? Try as much as possible.
Yeah. चल भाई
ये किसका पड़ा है?
मेरा
और टीम का ले आते ना.
आजकल बैटिंग मेरा किस्मत नहीं चल रही. These days I'm not having any luck in my
2 overs, right? 2 overs. 20 runs.
I don't know. I don't think so. I've lost my form, but I'm getting out.
It's not the thing is, you are.
I'm still in form. I don't think I'm seeing the ball. I don't think I'm
I
out
felt
of
you are
form.
not.
You're overthinking. That's it. I'll tell you.
I'm not out of form.
You have to
I'm getting
analyze
out.
the game, and you have to
Okay,
know
okay.
how you are getting
One
out.
minute, Aman. You said something, right? You are in form, but you are getting out.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought why you are doing that?
I don't know.
Wrong shot, Sachin. Everyone knows
That full toss?
your strength, bro. You got out 3 times like to Rishi only, and here also the same shot. So why don't you change it, or just
But
single it?
full toss ball, anyone will
No,
bowl it, right?
you have to.
No, bro, I didn't
understand
cut
where the
it, man.
fielders
He
are.
didn't
Where you
middle
hit
it.
is
And
important.
before ball
He
he
didn't
hit
middle
a boundary.
With Basam is
Yeah,
he
it's the ball
hits.
to hit, but he didn't middle it.
Yeah.
I was thinking the ball went too far.
Except for the cow corner, there was no filter on the leg side. He could have hit anywhere.
Keeping low, right?
One ball
Watch,
before I
watch.
told Ashik I am having a lot of issue with my eyes today. My eyes are very itchy today. I don't know what happened.
I'll tell you, that's good for bowling. We just simply throw on the stumps.
No understands.
Just take 4 wickets, bro. We'll go home early. We are winning.
Cassian is gonna take wickets at the start. Inshallah.
Azhar bhai,
बाहर चले गए यार रुद्रा रुद्रा hit this.
No, Asif.
Ashik.
Azhar bhai hardly inside the
They
board.
put the straight one still there, but they still went for 4.
Yeah, they had Vamshi or straight over there.
Good shot, bro.
How many Ashik scored? Well scored.
Aman, having fun.
Aman is chilling.
He's ready.
Aman has done his part
Ashik
for the
scored.
day.
Ashik. Huh?
Nice
Last
one.
2 overs.
Last 10 balls, I think.
10 balls, huh? Okay. He can score his
20.
50.
We'll get as much as possible, right?
16.
You need some room also to defend, right? So
Look how many fielders outside. 1, 2.
5 only.
I can be out.
2 here, 3 there. I don't know why I kept 3 there. Nobody's hitting there.
ये हरी भाई है ना वो थोड़ा
Good one. Good shot, boy.
Rudra.
He's a very good left arm, right?
With this heat, we need to. Rudra is not running.
Bro, Charan is a good left arm bowler, right? Why he didn't bowl?
I think fielding we should be very alert, bro. There is very uneven bounce in the field.
Today's fielding should be good.
Yeah, no overthrows.
We'll give our best, guys.
Sorry,
Let's not take any pressure.
Watch the ball until the last minute. It's bouncing.
You need keeping pairs. I don't think you'll get chance today.
It's okay.
Last
Even 1 or 2 balls, yeah.
Blazer, you're sitting.
Satisfied for the whole week. I'll still remember
Bat,
that
bat.
1-6 if I hit.
You remember
Azhar
our Indian
wife-
bowler did this.
Azhar was fielding all deep today.
Yeah.
Best catcher in the team.
Bowling 5 overs.
More than that, he is playing everywhere. Shot, boy. Two boys, run harder, boys.
He wanted
Yeah,
to-
now it could have been through.
Probably.
Man
meant for the
umpiring.
Yeah.
ஆஷை அவுட் ஆச்சுன்னா நமக்கு அடிக்கிறதுக்கு யாரும் இல்லை ஆஷை நிற்கணும் இல்லை
Okay. See, 8 ball தானே. We have 2-3 wickets.
आज हैट वाली करनी है कवर
Hey,
how much did we score already
Catch ಇಲ್ಲ
90?
Catch.
190?
Go.
Aman!
No, not a catch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
190 guys, last over. Come on, you can do it.
The ground is
Last over 20 runs. Azhar bowling.
That's what I'm not bowling.
Azhar bhai, how are you playing all the games, bhai? Tell me.
He's young, right?
man.
Yeah, what? You are playing PPL, PMOCL.
He's a
I'm
young
not
man.
playing. I'm making you play. I'm not playing.
बॉलर सारे
It's very hot outside.
बॉलर सारे मीठे थे मुझे भी नजर आ रहे थे
बहुत सारे मीठे थे आपका दांत दर्द हुआ है सब मीठे डजंट सूट यू
मीठे मीन शुगर नॉट शुगर डैडी अदर काइंड ऑफ मीठे अभी कैमरे पे कुछ और नहीं बोल सकता वरना कुछ और बोल के जाता मैं कल को मेरे पे केस ना हो जाए कोई रेम्बो नेशन
Make it 4.
Make it 3 also. Go.
run
Yeah, no, they won't run 3.
No, at least even if Ashek stays on the strike,
Yeah, at least double.
double rotating, yeah.
Come on, stand here.
Last over. Dot ball needed. Come on, guys.
Save
You can
energy
do
for
it.
scope.
Aman, what score?
192.
Very nice, man.
Great recovery, boy. Great recovery.
4 boy.
Shot, good shot, boy.
Excellent.
Excellent, Ashik.
Ashik, keep it up.
196.
3 more balls. 3 more balls.
No, 4 ball. 4 ball.
4 more balls.
10 runs, boys.
Great one.
4 more.
How much he scored, Aman?
5 more. 5 more. 5
Probably
more.
40,
No ball
40,
आएगा.
41.
No ball आएगा.
Still you are not able to block it.
Vamsi.
Put the filter there then, man.
Yep.
Straight bat, right? Straight shot.
We are giving all the chances.
Great going. Ashek.
It's too close.
Yeah, he's like inside.
It's too straight. Think a straight, huh?
Straight ball is always good, man. Straight
Yeah,
batting.
straight back.
Now you'll go leg. You have trained
corner.
people like that.
He can definitely play that. This power.
Cut shots.
He has those shots.
He needs that room.
Even
The
he can
bounce
play
with the
inside out.
Come on!
Go.
I thought Rudra was still staying here. I did not see him. running.
I didn't see as well.
197.
Come on, Rudra!
7. Last ball after this, right?
भाई आज तो बंद ही किया हुआ रास्ता कोई आ जाएगा
Beautiful Rudra. We needed that. Yeah.
What a shot, boy.
200 boy. 200.
Nice one, boy!
Great one.
Guys, 200 up, guys.
Rudra didn't score. Your bat is scored.
Hey, it was Rudra.
No, it was Rudra. Great shot, boy.
It was catch. Rachel's bat.
That's what I'm saying.
Come on,
Yes.
One more.
Beautiful shot. Beautiful. One more. Come on, boy.
I told you right.
One more 6 is.
One more. He'll go fast. He'll
No,
try
second last.
He'll try to pay.
One more
pace
6.
up the ball.
Oi!
It's okay. You will get it.
200 already done, right?
Don't.
Kamal, same script. 204. Same
2-0.
We have to change the script.
But the result is different.
Flip it.
I'm telling you.
Same script, right? Match fixing. Tournament fixing.
Azerbaijan is right here, right? So let's.
Azerbaijan money didn't come though.
Come on, boy! Go for it, go for it, go for it! 3!
No backup.
No backup, no backup! 3!
No backup. 3.
Yeah!
Good running, boys. Hey, one more ball. No one. एक 3 रन नहीं तो फिर बाल